Okay, your question is, if you could change something about the sports precedents in India, about the sports, what would it be? Just sports, the sports face or face of sports in India, or idea of sports in India, what would you change?
I think there should be more opportunity for girls in sports because I don't think so that girls are given equal opportunities as men. So that's the reason they, lack compared to other countries.
Our second winner is Vinny Chawla. Please come. Segment is for the gents. Do we have any gents here? We have prizes to be given away for the gentlemen too. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are also selling Tombola tickets. I'm just reminding you all again. Tombola tickets are being sold at ₹10.
So now the next game is only for the senior citizens, and we want to know that what most romantic thing your spouse has done for you, and this will make you win ₹1,000 gift. So please come forward and participate.
आप भी कभी क्यों जवान हो, आप अभी भी जवान हो, है कि नहीं, हो कि नहीं?
हाँ, मैं जवान हूँ।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। एंड जवानियों में तो रोमांस तो चलता ही है कि नहीं?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
तो बस we want to know what was the most romantic thing your husband did for you?
Thoughtful, romantic कुछ भी आंटी?
हाँ, जो आपके दिल को छू गया।
दिल को छू गया।
दिल को छू जाने वाली बात। Everybody else start thinking.
इतना सोचना पड़ेगा क्या? अच्छा, एक बार जैसे 1-2 साल फर्स्ट मेरी बर्थडे थी, उन्होंने विश नहीं किया था। जो अक्सर होता है ना, अभी भी होता है शायद। तो मैं पूरा दिन मेरा मूड खराब हो, फिर रात को चलो कहीं बाहर चलते हैं, ठीक है, वो पहले से पूरा इंतजाम करके रखा हुआ था। वो था। और एक 25th मैरिज एनिवर्सरी पे मेरे को कुछ नहीं मालूम था कि कुछ होने वाला है, तो एकदम सडन चलो होटल में खाना खा के आएंगे, लेकिन पूरा प्लान था और उधर उन्होंने पूरा फ्रेंड्स को बुला के पूरी पार्टी की हुई थी। वो तो बहुत रोमांटिक था।
Flat, what color in shoes? What's your favorite color in shoes?
White color.
All right, so we're looking for ladies wearing white footwear. We're looking for women who are wearing white footwear. Do we have anyone in the audience who's wearing white footwear? White color sandals? Okay, I think we have a winner, somebody who's wearing white footwear, which is Sheila auntie right here. Is there anyone else who's wearing white footwear? No, just women, adults. Any lady wearing white color footwear? White, silver, white. I'm sorry? You're wearing silver? All right, let me ask one more question. You're also wearing white or silver, auntie? Yeah, chalega. Wait, let me ask her one more question. Okay, we have 3 contenders. Do you like short hair or long hair?
Long hair.
All right. And do you like people with glasses or without glasses?
Without glasses.
All right. So we're looking for long hair, white shoes, without glasses. So without glasses, yeah, probably you. Yeah, please come. Yeah, please do. All right, next question. Okay, what's your favorite color?
Pink.
All right, pink. Okay, let's not do pink. Okay, I'm going to give you colors, okay? I want you to tell me what's your favorite color in that. Let's do green, white, brown, or orange.
Orange.
All right, so we're looking for ladies wearing orange clothes. This is just a beginning, okay? So we're looking for ladies wearing orange clothes. All right, now you like gray or white?
White.
Okay, so you're looking for women with white hair wearing orange clothes. We're looking for women with white hair wearing orange clothes. Wearing shoes or chappals?
Chappals.
Okay, so we're looking for white hair women wearing orange clothes, wearing chappals. Orange we have 2, but are with white hair. Who has whiter hair? Somebody take a call. Somebody help me.
They have to decide. They have to decide who is having more white hair.
Okay, can somebody decide for me who has more white hair? Auntie on the left or auntie on the right? Auntie on the left? Okay, auntie, please come. Yeah. Thank you. right, our last and final impromptu present right here. Okay, do you like jeans or shorts?
Shorts.
So we're looking for men wearing shorts. We're looking for men wearing shorts, okay? Men, no, not boys, we need men, adults. Is there any adult here who's wearing shorts? I can't see. Is there an adult who's wearing shorts? I see a hand up. Who's that? That's a kid. Okay, okay. No, is there no adult who's wearing shorts? All right, let's change the question. So, do you like jeans or trousers?
Trousers.
Okay, so we're looking for an adult wearing trousers, not jeans, trousers. Do we have a man who's wearing trousers and not jeans? Hello? I can see 4 men in the audience. Do we have somebody wearing a yeah, uncle, please come. You're the winner.
You spin my head right now when you go down, when you go.
Thank you. All right, how about a round of applause for all the free gifts that we've given away? Just so that you know, the evening is brought to you by our main sponsor, who is Krishna Pearls and Jewelers. We have about 20 stalls out there for you. We have 4 jewelry stalls, Krishna Pearls and Jewelers being our main event sponsor. The prizes, the vouchers given out to you are from Jagdamba Pearls. They also have put up a stall right there. We also have a silver jewelry store called as Josu's Jewelers. We also have an imitation jewelry stall. So there's lots to look around, lots to shop around, and lots to ask your man to buy. Today, after all, is a celebration of Women's Day. So I would suggest go find a present and just buy it and send him the bill. Simple. Okay, I have another announcement that's coming. Krishna Jewelers is offering 30% discount on all purchases and orders that are made today. Once again, Krishna Jewelers is offering 30% discounts on all orders that are made today. All right, our next game is... can we have all the men that are in the audience up in front, please? There's a game for you. All the men. Come on, let's be sports. Let's give a round of applause to all the men that I can see. We have 2 youngsters there. We have so many uncles sitting here. We have youngsters sitting right here. Please come. All the dads, uncles, brothers, brother-in-laws, granddads. Okay, apparently the fluorescent green t-shirt is not being allowed to come. Please come. And the person with the white dastar, please come. Come on, come on. This gift is for all the gentlemen. Uncle, please come, uncle. Please come. ओ पाजी आ भी जाओ जल्दी आओ छेती आओ दौड़ के आओ जल्दी छेती आओ. Can we have the spouses come here, please? We're going to play a couple game, which again has amazing prizes to be given. Can the spouses please come? Okay, then we'll just play the other game and we'll play the couples game in a bit then. We have 1, 2... Okay, the gentleman with the green t-shirt, we want you back. I'm sorry, we're playing a bachelor's game. Please come. Okay, we'll play the bachelor's game and then we'll play the thing. Not bachelor's, just a single man game. All right, so your game is, we're going to have a men's fashion show. And I'm going to ask you questions. So we're judging you on your confidence and your answer. That's it. There's nothing else that we're judging you on. It's just your presence of mind and your confidence to walk the stage and just hold the mic and answer the question. That's it. So can we have you all go backstage, please? And thank you. All right, uncle, your question is, if you could change one thing about the Indian politics in the current state, what would you change?
Change the leaders who are honorable and ईमानदार हों, अच्छे हों और जनता की भलाई के लिए सोच सकें.
Thank you. All right, your question is, if you make a mistake, how do you admit it to your wife?
I would simply prepare a cup of tea for her and say sorry.
Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Uncle, so your question is that a lot of people say that the condition of sports in India is not as good as it should be, given country has so much of a population and yet we don't win so many medals. So if there was something you could do to change the scenario of sports in India, what would you recommend?
I recommend for the selection of the candidates at the root level first. and at the school level and also in the rural level, wherever there is possible, and open too many coaching centers, and they have to coach them in the early stages, what is finding out and first selection like this. Then only at the root grab the better sportsmen. But it is not the, it will take some time, because it is not the, in a midnight or in a overnight you cannot do it. It takes its own time, but in the future, in the long run, it will affect.
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're buying up the Tambola tickets. As soon as we're done with this, we're going to...
Okay, so you had a really stressful day at work and you came home in a really foul mood and you took it out on your wife. Now you're feeling really guilty. So what are you going to do to make it up to her?
I'll take my kids out to play. That will relax her the most.
Thank you.
All right. Since you're a bachelor, I guess, what do you think of the face of Bollywood and the way the fashion industry is moving towards? Do you think it's the right thing for the youth of today and for the young of today?
Yeah, actually, I think this is right for today's youth, because we have to move on with the time. So time has changed, so we have to move it. So everything is fine as per me, and our Bollywood rocks. Yes.
Thank you. Okay, your question is what's been asked, but there's a twist there. Your wife is very upset. She's had a sore day. It's not you, but it's she that's had a sore day. And she's upset with you. She wants you to talk. She wants to have a conversation with you, but for some reason you don't want to have a conversation. But then how do you deal with that?
I guess I'll take all the ingredients that make up love, blend them in the blender and make her a good drink. Having said that, happy belated Women's Day to all.
Okay, our first prize goes to the uncle who said about sports and grassroots level. Uncle, you win the first prize. Uncle, please pose for the camera. Okay, our second prize goes